Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a box for YuGiOh Supreme Darkness. So without further ado, let's dig right in. Tomorrow we might be getting a new set. Technically, by the time the video goes up today. Very confusing, I know. But only for me. So let's see what another box for Supreme Darkness holds. I doubt we can beat the last box that we pulled. That was kinda insane. So let's see what we get. We get a Dark Contact. And as usual, starting from the right side. Next pack, we get a Gladiator Beast Gistel. On to the next one. Let's see what we get. We get a Fiendsmith Cutie. And that's it here. And the next one. With a Detonating Kuribo. Next one doesn't want to be opened. But here we are. With a Fiendsmith's Ruxtremont for our first ultra rare of the box. On to the next one, where we have a Magistus Choroso. And that's it here. And the next one we have a Ripple Bird. Next pack. We have a Liberator Ito for our secret rare. Which is okay. On to the next one. With a Sinful Spoils Awakening. Two packs left on the right side, which means we are at pack number 11, which holds an Evil Hero Inferno Wing Backfire. Oh, I can't count. Now we have two left. Silly me. And we have a Materiactor Meltdown. Good thing I don't have a meltdown for not being able to count properly. On to the next one. We have a Magistus Choroso, number 2. And done with the right side. On to the left side, pack number 13. With a Goblin Bikers Gone Bonkers. Second ultra rare of the box. Pack number 14. With an Argo Stars Swift Campaign. Campaign? Who knows? Not me. Haha. The rhymes and the fuss is true. On to the next one with an Argo Stars Slayer Itio. And on to the next one. Now I've lost count again. with an Abyss Steam. And on to the next one with a Dark Necromancer. So far, a bit underwhelming. I got to use 2 good boxes. We have a Test Bear, which is fine. On to the next one with a Tenyi Infinity. On to the next one we shall go. And we get a Christron Chisteros. Four packs left to go. This time I can count properly. Don't worry about me. I'm not having a stroke. And we have an Argostar Swift Campaign again. Third to last pack. That one opened annoyingly. Ooh, we have an Argostar's Lightning Tidy. Quarter Century Secret Rare. Yes, I'll gladly take that. Now 2 packs left to go. Back to back Quarter Century Secret Rare. We'll take those. Arcana Force EX, the Chaos Ruler. And we're down to the last pack. What will we get? We don't know, but soon we will. We get a Queen Azamina for our last Ultra Rare and the last rare card of the box. Lovely. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.